Now, you know, when I come back to YouTube to do a wig install, it's because I actually really love the wig and want a new look and want to put you guys on. Today in this video, we're gonna be doing a glueless wig install. Yes, that means you can take it off and put it on your nightstand while you're sleeping and then put it back on in the morning. Yay, we got our wig in the mail, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys everything. This is gonna be the most easiest video to follow. It is so detailed. I also try to not do a lot of speed ups, so keep that in mind. This is how the headband looks. I love this one with a little like mesh in the middle. It's so breathable in the back and it doesn't make your like hair feel like it's gonna like, you know, rip out or have too much friction. So these are my little, you know, Meek Mill braids. I love this oil. So we're gonna prep first. And I love this oil because it is a anti-itch oil and I plan on having this wig on for a while, or just wearing it for a while, so my hair is neatly braided. I used to braid my hair going straight back, but I feel like that's pulling out my edges, so here we are just braiding it down into the back. This thing feels so good on your scalp, guys. It's tingly and really just, again, anti-itch. Highly recommend for those who have itchy scalps. Now we have our wig on. Listen, the lace on this is so clear that I literally forget that there's lace still on my forehead, like while I was actually styling it. But the lace on this is immaculate. Like, oh my god, it melts into your skin without you having to spray, glue, or do any of that extra stuff. So Hairvivi's wigs are designed to be directly, like you take it directly out of the box and put on your head. But I don't really care for too much volume, like on the top part of my head. So I always like to just hot comb it and just flatten out that part. So here I am just customizing it to just be more to my liking. Look at this up close. It looks so freaking good. Like, guys, you need this in your life. I promise you do. So you see, look, when I let go of the hair, look. You see how it rises? Yeah, we don't want that. So we want to keep on flattening it, can't even talk, until it gets as flat as possible. We don't want that part to rise. So again, this step, please skip it if you're just not a fan of plucking. I just feel like from my face, it feels like it's too much. Like the hairline is too dense for my face and my features. So I like to go in and just thin it out a teeny bit. I also like for the tip of the middle part to look like a widow's peak kind of ish. So I like to just make it look a little bit more pointy towards that part. Not the Legos hairline, even though I do want to try that, but kind of like a widow's peak hairline. And again, you don't have to do this step because they already give it to you like perfectly. Like if you notice, I'm only really plucking that one part. The rest of the hairline, plucked to perfection from the company itself. Now let's get into cutting the lace. This is how I've always cut my, well, not really. I used to cut it straight across and then pluck the hairline to my perfection. But guys, do not go from ear to ear. Don't be afraid to like make it all wavy and whatever. You need this to match your hairline. Okay, that's the goal here. So it's okay if you have to like, you know, go dip in a bit to the hairline to come back out. My hairline is kind of like all over the place, so that's kind of why it's just you know, easy for me. And then I'm cutting the part over the ears. Make sure you don't cut this part too short because you will be screwed. And then again, just kind of follow the hairline and also mimic your hairline if you can. So lace is all off. Now, I know you're wondering, hey, it's a glueless wig. Hey, what do we do with the sides that will flap? Now, I'm not gonna lie, on a regular given day, I would leave it just like that. Like, I'm not touching it, I'm leaving it. Wait, hold on, look at this. Look at that. That is so thick. Listen, that is the clearest lace I've ever seen in such a long time. It just looks so, like I am drooling. But this wig is going to be 100% glueless. Now, I am going to use one little tool. I want to show you guys both options. But on a regular day, I wouldn't even like add anything to my hair, I would just throw this wig on. I am adding a little bit of curl mousse to just keep the frizzes down because it just drives me nuts when those are sticking up. And then as you can see, I'm still molding the hairline to be what I like it to be with just a hot tool. You could use a curling iron, totally up to you. Okay, so we can stop here. If you're satisfied, stop right here. And you can walk out the house and you'll still look so good. Now, again, for the girls that are like, oh my God, the flaps by the ears, that is driving me nuts. How do I keep that down? Now, I'm wearing it like this. I could wear it like this and be fine. But on the days where it might be kind of windy, you can use a curl mousse, okay? This is a mousse. It's not a glue. It's not a spray. It's just some setting foam, and I just place it on the side. It does not stick to your hairline. I just do this to set the lace so that it like stays as flat as possible to my hairline, you know? Like, look, I can still like put my comb through it. Guys, I said I'm so like tired. So if I sound kind of like kind of crabby, it's because of that reason. But I was like, I really want to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible because I already know on Instagram, everybody's going to ask me like, hey, where's the link? Where's the this? And so I'm just like, yeah. By the way, guys, there is a discount code that I will add to the screen and it is down below. Here I am trying to curl. I swear I've been wearing braids for so long that I've forgotten how to curl my own hair. Isn't that crazy? So now I'm trying to remember, like, how do I like it? Do I like it going outward, inward? I know I usually pull it down and drag it down, but after this, guys, I just can't remember. Again, I'm using some hairspray to just really flatten down the flyaways. You can totally skip this step, and from here on out it's just me simply molding. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Look how good that looks, but it's just me simply molding. I love this color. I've been wearing this color for honestly for the last 5 months. I've been wearing this like color, not the blonde highlights, but that brown, like it's like a number 4 kind of ish. I've been wearing that color in my braids. When I tell you, I think this is my signature color. I even dyed my hair this color, my real hair. It did not come out how it was supposed to because I forgot I had black dye on my the ends of my hair, so I have to get it professionally fixed so I don't end up bald. But that color is so freaking pretty. Look how good this looks, guys. And again, you can comb, like you can still slide the comb underneath the part where I put the foam. Okay, I just put that there to set it. And we are basically done. I'm just gonna play with the hair so you guys can see it, but I am just living for this color. I did try to straighten it, but then I was like, damn, I want you guys to see exactly how it looks out the box. So I didn't. But guys, for Glueless, it is actually staying in place. Isn't that crazy? And I'm telling you, the reason why it's really staying in place is because of that ball cap that they put underneath. Like, I didn't glue or anything. You guys completely saw. You'll see me stick the comb underneath there again, but that looks so good. They did, as Natalie Dunn would say, their big one. Okay, because this looks so freaking good. Here I am just playing with it. Now I did share my final thoughts towards the end. I did share some of my final thoughts towards the end. So if you are interested, just stick around for another 20 seconds and okay, so here are my final thoughts on this unit. I'm gonna try to do this entire part without editing it, so this is gonna be raw and real. But I have worked with Hairvivi since I've started my hair journey or my influencer career, and when I tell you, the quality just keeps on getting better. Like, they are like #1 in the wig game, worth every single dollar. So in this video, the whole point of it was to show you guys how it's glueless, how you can put it on and take it off, and we love that. I don't know what it is, but as I'm getting older, I just cannot have things on my head. Like, I literally need to take it off at night, and so having it glueless is such a huge benefit. Also, I work out a lot, I do Pilates a lot, and my head gets sweaty, so I just need to let it breathe. I need to let it breathe, okay, in between wears. So that's why this video was so important to me, because it definitely goes with my lifestyle. The hair feels so good and silky. I think I've been wearing braids for way too long because I just forgot how to curl. Like, I literally do not know how to make the sides match. I have to watch more videos. I'm like, how do you forget that? It should be like muscle memory, but I think I totally forgot. So I need to figure out how to make these sides match. I love the hair color. It's giving like piano keys, but like tiny highlights in between. So we love that. I absolutely love the packaging. They give you a silk bag so you can store the wig away properly and not have it just thrown to the side. The fact that it comes with a wig cap already built in, to me, is like chef's kiss. Because do you know how annoying it is to wear a like glued down ball cap? There are times where I will wear a stocking cap on my head just because, like, you know, I oil it and I don't want the oil to get onto my actual like the hair on the wig. But other than that, like, to glue it down and do all of that like, that is so 2019. So I love that they actually make you not have to do that. The wig is comfortable, headband is comfortable. Usually I get really bad headaches when I wear wigs nowadays, and I think like the way that they have their band is not like, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's not pulling my hair. It has like a net in it, like, well, a mesh on it, like the little grid pattern, so I feel like your hair is able to breathe, which again, I love. I find myself romanticizing them again, or loving them, and I think that comes with the kind of wig that you are choosing to wear. So if it's uncomfortable, yes, you're gonna continue to hate it, but if it's comfortable, looks good, worth every dollar, you're going to learn to love it. Okay, I'm looking in the monitor right now because I'm trying to see, like, the curl is so uneven, but the hair looks so good. Hairvivi, you always do your thing, so highly, highly, highly recommend buying this wig. I should have a code for you guys down below, and that will give you some dollars off. I think every dollar off counts, so definitely go ahead and use my code and make sure you put it in as you're checking out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I feel like I never talked to camera, so I'm like, you know what, no, we're ending this video with me chatting to the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.